If you are wondering if we have a sketch to image available on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then the answer is unfortunately no. Usually in order to find sketch to image, we can open the gallery and choose any photo that we wish to, let's say, customize. Then let's tap on this pen to open the editor. And usually over there among these options you should be able to find sketch to image somewhere. But in this case, unfortunately, it is not available. You can also try to find it in the Notes app, because usually you can also use the Notes app in order to draw something. However, in this case, I also couldn't manage to find anything that would allow me to draw, to use the sketch to image feature. Even if I choose a pen or something, even if I try to draw something, there is no option that would allow me to just to convert it into an image. So after selecting anything that I draw, I can only change the style or something, convert to matte, and we have some other options. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So unfortunately, no sketch to image available on this device. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.